Stop scrolling. You won't believe this crash. Ex-WWE boss hits triple digits on the highway. Dashcam shows the whole terrifying run. Newly released footage shows the 80-year-old in a 2024 Bentley, speeding down the interstate, clipping a BMW at highway speeds, smashing into the guardrail. All as a trooper tries to pull him over. McMahon later told officers, "I got my granddaughter's birthday." He was cited for reckless driving. No serious injuries. His lawyer calls it an accident, but the video speaks for itself.